What's up, nail crew? Today I'm going to show everyone how to remove builder gel with an e-file. My favorite bit to use is this pano bit I got from eBay. It's a 3x coarse bit, and for me it's just been the easiest one to use. The other absolute must regarding this bit is that it's a safety bit. And for somebody like me who's very sloppy when I'm removing builder gel or dip and just rough in general on my nail tools, on my nails, it keeps me from slicing apart my cuticles, which I'm sure everybody can relate to that. You want to start out using usually like a 5 to 9 thousand RPMs with your e-file. When I first started using an e-file, I kept it really low, probably only around 2 or 3,000 RPMs. And I noticed that it took a lot longer to remove the builder gel. But when you're just starting, it's good to start slow. It just keeps you from, having the file fly against your finger, which I definitely did that a few times with my e-file. The other thing that's really important when you're using an e-file, especially a coarse one like this, is to continuously keep it moving. That was key for me. I know in the beginning I would kind of stop it on my finger and really try to push down. That is absolutely not what you should do. If you really try to push down on your nail, you're going to damage it. You're going to get that heat feeling. And anytime that you're using an e-file and it starts to feel hot, that is when you know that you are not using it correctly. If you're pressing down really hard with an e-file and it does start to become hot, just immediately pull it off your nail so that you don't do any more damage. Especially, when you're first learning, it's going to happen. It's going to slip. Just be as careful as you possibly can. We all were starting at some point. I know still, even after 2.5 years, I'm not a professional. I'm not a nail tech. I'm an at-home DIY nail dipper. I'm finishing up taking off all the builder gel on my nails. Then I'm going to gently brush it off so that my dust collector picks up the worst of the dust. And then my nails are ready for builder gel prep and application. Drop any questions you have below. Thanks as always, nail crew.